represents your setup. 3 should be your feel light. See this one, this is the bad guy. 3 videos in what, 5 hours? Here I have nothing here, and you can see there's a bit of shadow here as well. The setup time has been almost 2 hours. This cannot work. It is what it is. Hold down the edges purposefully. So again, we're back at 0. Hi guys, hey besties, hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're watching me for the first time, welcome here. My name is Muna. In today's video, I'm going to tell you guys behind the scenes of what my content creation day looks like, what a day in my life as a content creator looks like. I have a studio in my apartment, in my house, where I create content, right? But I also come here, which is my bedroom, and shoot a bit of content. I'm going to tell you guys behind the scenes of what it looks like to be a content creator. I'm a mom of 2, in case you don't know. I'm a mom of 2, but yeah, so I try so hard to just blend, content creation and motherhood. And trust me, it's not an easy one, because right now I have to film. Currently, I think the time now is past 10 in the morning, and the kids have dropped off already, so I'm going to film my content from now till I'm hoping to finish like before 1, because I just have 2 videos to film, rather 3 videos to film, this one and 2 other videos. I worked on a film production for almost a month. I got tanned, I got burnt. This is 2 weeks after filming, and my skin is coming out somehow, because it was really bad. Like, it was bad. That time you can see me without makeup, because I've not picked up my camera in trying to clear my content catalog before December, because I want to hop on the vlogmas. By God's grace, I will do the vlogmas. So yeah, we are in the studio, the one I mentioned. So I have a big window in front of me here, but it's not properly open, so I'm getting just a bit of light from it. The area I use for my content now, it used to be a white curtain. The white curtain is still here. I always switch it up sometimes, but I think I prefer the black, because I just want to have a different tone. That's always been white. I recently got this black like a week ago, and I'm trying to use a setup for like a get ready with me vibe, or for my short form content. What's interesting side in this studio, there is this part that has this nice curved thing. I did all these things myself, and my sister helped me paint it actually, and my husband. Kudos to them. And then I put this hanging shelf. I sell this hanging shelf in case you want to buy, and I got all this nice decor. So this area is where I film content. I don't know the kind of content. I've really not decided, or I've not structured my content to align with a particular setup, but I'm trying to do that right now, like, because I'm kind of rebranding, re-strategizing, doing a lot of YouTube, brain works and everything. So I'm thinking this setup, which is me sitting down here, and then I put like a tube light. Where's my tube light? Okay, I have a tube light. I'll show you guys later. Put like a tube light here, and then film. I use here mostly for my short form content. When I talk about like text and stuff, I use this part. There's also this backdrop for my business. I do pap, in case you want pap, homemade pap. I have one for baking, boosting the nutrients, lactating mom diets, and for back to lighting. I use this lights from T-Store on Instagram. I got this around 55,000. It's actually very good light, soft LED light. I use this for content creation and also for UGC professional shoots. Now there is this light. This is an LED light. I had whatever cloth you saw on it was like a diffuser I used to soften the light. It's 600 bulbs. I've had this for the longest. I think it should be up to 5 years. This is the brand here. These 2 lights are my major source of light when it comes to content creation. This is the best tripod you can buy for your phone. If you vlog with your phone, you do all those. This tripod is it. Like, you can use it as I actually like it. I would do like a proper review later, but if you know this tripod, you know the tripod. This as a selfie stick like this, but it's kind of too bulky as a selfie stick. This one is just a lightweight. It's not professional at all. But you see this one, this is the bad guy. Bad guy. This stretches very long, like really long, and then you can put your phone on different mode, either this portrait, or you can do landscape. You can tilt the screen up and down. Trust me, you need the tripod as a content creator. I got this one from T-Store, again, where I got the light. T-Store on Instagram. If you want your content to look better, you need to understand 3 key lighting, right? 3 key lighting doesn't mean you're using 3 lights. It just means you're using 3 angles of light. Your lights are coming from 3 angles, right? Now, the first angle should be the key light. The key light is the major source of light that illuminates your subject, and then followed by the fill light. The fill light fills up the shadow the key light will create. Last one is your backlight, and your backlight is supposed to lit up the background of your filming setup. That's like a very layman word. Like, I'm using the most plain, simple English. Another way you can understand this is by holding a clock. Now, the clock here represents your setup. 3 should be your fill light, right? Fill light comes from the 3 angle. Then your key light comes from 9. Your fill light is supposed to fill up the shadow your key light will create, except you're trying to achieve a different lighting setup. Like, let's say you're trying to get a rim lighting. Right now I'm using 1K lighting. There's just a strong light coming from here. I have nothing here, and you can see there's a bit of shadow here as well. Here I have nothing here, and you can see there's a bit of shadow here as well. I have no backlight, and you can see there's no light behind me. Now let's change that. I have this light. This light is actually very strong, so I want this to be my key light, and then this would be my fill lights. I'm going to place this light here, and then maybe reduce the intensity of this one, because this light is actually very, very high. I'm supposed to sit down here. This is my setup. I'm putting my camera is already here. Let me show you guys. That is my camera there. This is the fill light I'll be using, and this fill light is very strong. The intensity is quite strong, so I'm going to turn on this light, but use this one as a soft diffuser to diffuse the light. The light has a tungsten side and it has a white light, so I reduced the tungsten side and increased the white light. So the tungsten is like 34, and then the white light is 100. I'm using a 50 mm. As you can see, my face is very well lit. This is the backlight we're using for today's video. I had to set it, so you can set it to have different effects where it goes from one color to the other, and you know that. So this is one we use. I'm going to place it just behind where I'm going to sit. You can see it's giving, see the effect it's giving at the back there. Yes, this is the setup. So I'm just going to sit here. The camera is there. I'm just going to sit here and just make my video. Guys, I broke my lights because of you. Anyway, so yeah, this is it. This is how I set up my space. So I'm ready to film a get ready with me video. We're talking about skincare, some skincare gist. So that's what we're doing today. So one thing I wanted to mention is it doesn't matter where you place the light. Key light doesn't have to be placed at a particular point. It doesn't have to be placed on the left or the right or whatever. In case you're wondering where is the best place to place my light, or where is the best place to place the light, right? The key light or the fill light. Look at your subject, ask your subject, what is your best side? If you are the subject, what is your best side? For me, my best side is this side of my face. So I always place my key light on this side of my face, because key light would always illuminate the subject, the most part of the subject face. So complement it with your fill light, or where you think your face card shines. Okay, everywhere is going to look very rowdy and unorganized, but that is the life. Okay, I have my makeup here. If you remember, I mentioned that I'm filming a get ready with me video. These are the outfits I'm wearing today. At this first video, I think I'm doing white top. So I have 3 tops to use, and I'm always very intentional with the colors to match 1 or 2 things in the set. I've turned on a fan here to help with ventilation. So I'm going to change into this wearing. This is the second wig I'm using. The question is, where am I going to place this? See, I forgot my mic was off. So I was saying earlier that I have a challenge with how, like, I'm not used to doing the get ready with me. It's a new style I'm trying to introduce, where I'm getting ready and I'm talking a bit about, I'm just gisting with you guys. So how about here? Let me see. Okay, let me see. I have to position it where I can actually see myself. And this broken mirror part is not going to work. I have to look for the mirror that is not broken because this cannot work. So again, we're back at 0. I'm already exhausted from the setup aspect of this filming thing, but I found a mirror. You can see my voice has gone down. Like, I use a lapel mic to film. This is what the mic looks like. This is it. I don't know if you can see it, but I use a lapel mic, and this is from Boya, Boya, BOYA. Here it's on, and thank God it's charged because last night, like I said, most of the prepping I was done last night. So I charged the batteries. I got a new mirror. I'm gonna mic myself now. This is line in, line out to microphone. This is a script I did yesterday, which was Monday, and I'm just going through all the points I'll be listening to this video just to recap and jumpstart my brain to remember everything I made research on and everything I noted out. So that is what I'm doing. Once I'm done eating this biscuit, because I'm hungry and I'll be speaking for the next 1 hour, I really do need to stuff my tummy up with something. The setup time has been almost 2 hours. Yeah, as usual, 3 key lighting. We'll have here our key lights here. We have our fill lights helping the window, like helping the daylight to complement. We have 2 sources of light from one angle. So we have that LED light and we also have the daylight from it. So this is what it looks like from the front view. This is what it looks like from the front view. They changed my hair, I've changed my outfit. I'm ready to film. Like, I'm already exhausted. My phone is down. But the time is currently, I think, past 2. I'm not sure. I'll check after recording this video what the time is. So let's go ahead and film. Hi guys, hey besties, welcome back here again. Me, I am so happy I filmed. It's just 2 content. I mean, I've done 7 contents in a day. Like, I've filmed 7 videos in a day before, and I realized that I don't think it's about quantity, it's more about quality, because if I film all these videos and I look tired, first of all, second of all, when I'm editing I realize I look tired, second of all, I look very, there's always something off, my hair is off, or there's just something off. I don't feel the videos as much as I do be calmly filming 2 videos. So I think since I'm not going to post every day on my YouTube, there's no point having to film 7, 8 content in a day, or 5, even 3 is a stretch. So I'm going to stick with just 2, and that's the vibe I'm going to use from now on. Like, just 2 content, or 3. It's actually 3 because vlogging is the 3rd one. I'm holding my phone in my hand and I'm like, how do you guys do these things? Like, it's not about you guys. Like, I also do it, but I do more of using like a tripod or something. Anyways, let me place this on a tripod because I'm tired. My hand's spinning me. I have to not lie, my hand's spinning me. Good thing about holding my phone like this is the fact that I'm using the 0.5x lens, so it's giving me like a wide angle of what I'm doing. I don't think I need to stretch that long to, cover the whole frame. I actually like it, but I hate the lens when there's low light. There's always that noise. If I'm in a low light situation, I don't use it because that digital noise that it gives. So another obvious thing or elephant in the room is my backlight. My backlight went off, and it's fine. It's fine. I'm not going to stress it. It's fine. However the video comes out, it is what it is. I'm going to go ahead and clean up my makeup and maybe take a nap before. It's actually 30 minutes from now, or 1 hour. I'll go pick up my kids from school. So a win is a win. I actually shot 2 videos or 3 videos in 5 hours. If you want to see more behind the scenes of my content days like this, if you want more videos like this, let me know in the comments. You have to let me know. If not, I'll feel like I'm making the videos for nobody. So if you want more videos like this, behind the scenes of how I film, how I set up, and other things, let me know in the comment section. I'll do well to make that video. So, guys, thank you for staying with me. Thank you for being part of my day. I hope you had fun. I hope you learned one or two things from this whole video. I hope you learned something. Actually, I like the setup. Oh. The crazy thing about filming is if I use my phone, I don't stretch too much. Like if I film with my phone, it's not this crazy. But in terms of like which is more conducive, which is more easy for me, my phone. Any day, anytime. Like I prefer using my phone, but I can't always use it, or I'm trying to have like days like this. I just vlog my BTS. So in that, I won't be able to I can't keep up with using my phone to film my YouTube videos. But I don't. The quality is really not bad. It's really really not bad. Did learn anything in this video? Let me know in the comments. Even if you did not learn anything, drop something you have learned in the comments. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, I don't know how to cry, but if I can cry, I will cry. Please hit the subscribe button. It means so much to me. Give this video a thumbs up. It means so much to me. And please share this video to your family, to your friends, to your group chat, on your group chat, anywhere you can share this video, except my village people's group chat. Send this video to everywhere except my village people's group chat. Please share this video. The thing about being a YouTuber is the more views you get, the more motivation you get, the more engagement you get, the more motivation you get. It's really hard to stay on this street if you're not getting the views or the engagement that you want to see. So please help me, please, I beg you. Share this video, please subscribe, please give this video a thumbs up, like this video. Thank you so much. If you want to see more videos like this, please let me know in the comments. I'll do well to make some videos like this for you. Okay, and I'll see you guys in my next video. For now,